Hi there. Welcome to EasiShare Partner Video Series. I'm Gunesh from EasiShare team. As you know, EasiShare is an enterprise file security platform that helps organizations to securely manage, share, and govern files. With this series of partner videos, we will be inviting our partners to showcase how our solutions go hand in hand and how we drive more value for our customers together. In this video, our topic is enterprise file security with protection, not prediction. And today we have Mark Chen, Senior Sales Engineer from Votiro. We'll be talking about how EasyShare integrates with Votiro to use positive selection to protect files before entering organizations' networks without relying only on detection-based methods. Over to you, Mark.
Thank you, Ganesh. Votiro was launched in 2010 with offices in Israel, USA, Australia, and Singapore with 35 employees worldwide. We have 400 plus customers and 1.5 million users worldwide from different industries. So let's say if you're looking for a new car, you found one that matches your lifestyle, interior furnishing, and even your favorite color. However, the braking system is only 99% reliable. Would you put your loved ones in this car? I wouldn't. But this is what we see in file security products today. With references down below, a big portion of the weaponized files we see today are still based on Office macros. For EasyShare, we invite others to upload files to us using laptops, iPads, and phones. Now, there's no real practical way to enforce the security status of the sender's machine, even if I'm someone you trust using EasyShare. On the other hand, if I'm a skilled attacker, I can actually find vulnerabilities, create my own malicious files. So if I'm lazy, I can actually buy malware off the darknet and bake them into a fake resume, and I'm good to go. Look closer at this slide. The seller here provided some kind of quality assurance that his code of malware is undetected by major antivirus brands out there. No wonder organizations get bombarded with malicious files. A statistics report indicates here that the average 5,000 employee organization received more than 700 emails with malicious files every day. Now, let's say they have some solution that offers 99% protection. Well, there's still 7 emails with malicious files coming through. What about next-gen products out there using predictive analysis technology? Predictive analysis is great for COVID-19 transmission or stock market trends, but it uses historical data to predict the future. So what's the most disturbing thing that we see today? We are still relying on predictions when looking at security. How can anyone have an accurate prediction on something that has never happened before? For example, I'm a skilled hacker, found a new vulnerability, wrote a new piece of software code with a totally new and sophisticated way to attack. When it comes to security, such predictions using historical data don't always get it right. So it's not a matter of if, and only a matter of when. With 99% protection, all you need is just one bad file. Introducing Votiro's Secure File Gateway, the only solution that ensures no harmful file ever enters your organization. How? Getting rid of predictions, of course. We need to stop predicting and start protecting. Votiro's positive selection makes use of what we call non-trusted, assuming all files cannot be trusted. Yes, we've seen other content disarm reconstruction solutions in the market. Some are at level 1, which convert files from a different format and convert files to a different format and back to the original format. Embedded content, fonts, or macros will be gone. Yes, it is secure. But if I'm a purchaser using macros in Excel sheet for calculations, those macros are lost and productivity takes a hit. Some companies develop a level 2 CDR, performing threat extraction, removing embedded objects or potentially active content. Well, some flexibility in retaining content, yet productivity is still taking a hit. Now, positive selection is at level 3. You perform a template-based reconstruction while preserving fully functional documents without hindering productivity. Let me explain. For example, my Word document, resume, with my photo ID in it. So instead of searching for what doesn't belong there, positive selection keeps only what does. We identify non-harmful parts of the file shown here in green Both the Word document and faded JPEG photo undergo what we call positive selection, and it is done recursively. So each file takes more or less sub-second to process. We take those non-harmful parts in green and put them into the new Word file template. Now, the Word template is for Microsoft since they are the creators of Microsoft Office. The JPEG goes through positive selection too, and of course, new JPEG template, and it gets embedded back into the Word document, the new Word document. Our policies and rules are granular and highly customizable. Positive selection ensures that the information the user sees and his user experience remains the same. This 100% secure file by positive selection is delivered to the user. Remember, Votiro's secure file gateway is not looking for things to remove. That old method using historical data is still detection-based and tries to be predictive. So, EasiShare and Votiro's integration is straightforward and easy. At the same time, it is transparent to the users. While the users upload the files to EasiShare calls on Votiro via REST API or file transfer through the system for positive selection at Secure File Gateway. After the positive selection process, EasiShare will present those files as safe-to-use copies, which are replica of the originals. The benefits? As the most secure file security solution, we give users peace of mind. We want to ensure that all files entering this organization are safe. While ensuring security, we need to maintain productivity, which means zero interruption to business. We want to have a secure solution that is easy to use and a clear UI to understand. We have clear ROI visibility. You need to have a solution that proves that threats are eliminated and hence helping you realize what you have invested actually works. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark. Just to summarize, like you've mentioned, EasiShare and Votiro provide a complete protection from weaponized files with positive selection. The documents get disassembled and then get reconstructed, eliminating advanced threats, viruses, and malwares. Again, thank you so much for your time, Mark. It was great having you with us. If you have questions or if you'd like to learn more, you can email us on sales@easyshare.com or contact us from our website www.easyshare.com/contact-us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.